right, well, the first thing we're going to do is get this up on the lift. We've already loosened the lug nuts on the front wheel, and then we'll have to jack it up slightly so that we can take that wheel off. Go ahead, Raj. Let's try it right there, Raj. Huh? Is it going to fit?
Not under the puck. Right here in the hole. This goes all anywhere, nothing. That's frame anyway. Well, good enough to get that tire off.
Well, speaking of getting the tires off, Roger put the lug wrench on it and spun the nut off so easily. That's scary. To be honest with you, I didn't even think about checking the tightness on the lug nuts after we bought the car. I just assumed, hey, you know, whoever put the tires on, they did it with an impact wrench. But not a bad idea to periodically go around and check the torque on those lug nuts. We're watching Roger do all the work here.
Yeah, I wonder why I'm doing all the work.
I'm recording. Let's try that again. All right, so we're gonna remove that, and then we got some screws here, two in the back here, two down below there, and then there's one underneath this. And what's broke is this part right here. It looks like this air dam deflector probably hit something hard and snapped it. You know, Roger, most of the people I was looking at on Facebook said when they went to replace this wheel well, they just left these air dams off. There's supposed to be one in the center here too, and you can see that that one's been removed and or destroyed and or knocked off by the previous owner. So we might not even put these air dams back on it because I'm not necessarily into the racing, and I don't think the tiniest bit of margin that thing would give me is going to be worth it. Okay, so when I bought the wheel liner, I also found the set of instructions for removing it. Again, it's not really that difficult. It shows all the nuts and bolts and the liner retainers that have to be pulled out, and you know, the rear molding. We're going to take the what do you call it, the splash guard off, and then we can get in, and then basically we're back into installation. So, all right, so
I think we're going to make it work. We want to be the premier show in the state.
Yeah, we're talking. Roger and I are talking about next year's auto show. I got a 7mm hex. I've got the retainer pull clip, and I've got a T15 torque. So let's see what we need to get. We need to get off the bottom here, and that's going to be right here. So we don't lose it.
Now, if you want, I can go higher than that, so you don't have to get on your knees.
Yeah. Well, then I'll be standing stretch up here in a second. So. Get that off, and then this just pulls out from the top. I didn't bring my vinyl puller. This is a metal puller. There we go. So, see, that's all that is one screw holds it in, and those clips are all that goes back in there. Thank you, Rush. Alright. Now we're going to start moving these torques. Just like that. See? We'll fast forward through all of this so you don't have to laboriously watch me do this. Unless I screw something up, you know, and then if it's funny, we'll keep doing it. So the new 2025 ZR1's got a new color called Hysteria Purple Metallic. It seems like everybody's going purple these days. Huh? All right, so we got right here. We got 3 more 7mm to get off of this thing. You know, Luis at Extreme Detail Garage took good care of us getting those headlamp tint replaced, and you can see the headlights at nighttime. When we bought the car, it looked beautiful. It's got a full blackout theme going, but whoever put the tint on the headlamps, they used the ultra dark. You couldn't see go down the road at night, so I'm pretty sure the previous owner never drove this car at night.
Seeing's important.
Yeah, it is. And being seen too, right? So now we put the lighter tint on it, and it works just fine. It still gives you that vision of total blackout. And plus you can see through. All right, now, if we've got everything out of here, let's see, yeah, we might have to look and see if there's anything else. Might have you raise the lift up so we can work up underneath the front here. I'm just making sure we got everything.
Jack.
The jack is good. Alright, that's good. Good? That's good, yeah. Okay. So I got some 7mm, but these 7mm are on a piece. These 7mm, if you can see those there, that's just for this dam here, and we'll take those off, but I'm probably going to remove that. Is this one attached?
Yep, that's attached.
I don't have that's a 10, I think. You have a.
Yep.
Show you the one that we're looking at now. So, like I said, since this part's broke, I don't have to remove those to get the dam off. But now we're looking up underneath here. Right there. We gotta get the socket for that. So. And we'll put Roger back to work. And it's recording. All right, had to switch over to Roger's phone. My battery on mine was getting too hot and it stopped recording. So, all right, let's move this back a little bit. So we've got it all out. There's no screws over here. So this part here is already in the should be loose. Let me see. There might be one more. Hang on. That is hang on, Raj. I got 2 more 7mm. I got 7. Oh, there's always something. Yeah, we got to pull this plastic piece out. So there's there's more
Stuff under here too.
There's more over here.
One right there too.
There's a 10mm there where you just touched, and then I got 7mm here.
All right, can you reach that 10?
Yep.
That doesn't hook. What is that? This is a 10. Yeah, a 10 right here.
All right.
another 7 right here.
Good thing we didn't put that jack any closer.
Yeah. There we go. I'm telling you, it always helps to have a buddy when you're working on things like this. I didn't bring all my tools up here. We've got this garage with 9 Corvettes in it, you already know, but some basically. Are you the same way, right? Don't throw anything away. If it's not broke. I had a need for it in the future.
I didn't know a lot of junk.
She's good. It's fine.
Probably that one they lost.
Oh, there's a torque stick there. That's crazy. That thing's been in the car all, God knows how long.
Probably the one they lost. Yeah, we're just looking and comparing the bolt pattern. Everything looks the same, so yeah. There we go. And trash. We'll throw that away. You guys just running it out. Looks like a piece.
All right. We're still recording.
Now I had to put the rest of them back in.
Yeah, okay, so maybe we won't screw anything up, but yeah, everything will line back up. Have to just cut on it a little bit. Get all the holes lined back up.
Just beat like that. You're already put those in there. Oh, should let those in? That's okay.
Huh?
We're gonna take those out. Remember you took those
Oh, that
out?
was, yeah, we didn't, okay.
Didn't have to take it out.
These 2 screws back here, they could have stayed, but they were just attaching this liner to the plastic shell. That's not made of this, so those are the I'm just putting those screws back that went on the air dam. And we're going to remove the air dam from the right hand side before we load the car. I'm just going to leave it off. It's just something that, if I left it on there and hit something, hit a curb or something on the road going down the highway, probably how it happened. That air dam and ripped this whole part and broke it. And, the part wasn't cheap. It wasn't that expensive, but it wasn't cheap. So.
It's a matter of putting those back in there, huh? Putting the wheel and tire back on.
Let me go for a spin. Roger knows all these backwards.
Came in, I took 864 exit and 1135. Yeah, that's a nice road. Get on it.
Now, if you want a curvy one, 408's a curvy one.
Yeah. The one in Lumberton, 421, we call it. My family used to travel to West Texas all the time, and that was our go-to way to get out of Lumberton.
The one down there by the park?
Yeah. And we call it, the kids named it the Windy Road because when they were little, you know, you're driving mom's Suburban or Navigator or whatever, and you're going around them curves and they lean, so it's like a roller coaster. So wouldn't suggest going around those curves at 70 miles an hour in a Navigator, but Corvette is different. I'm telling you, Roger's the man there. Lined up to the right. Up. There you go. Okay. And I really appreciate all the effort, Raj. Teresa appreciates it too.
Well,
Her baby.
Teresa appreciates it.
This
That's
is
even better.
That's right, Teresa. Teresa's.
She's a doll. You're kind of wrong.
She tolerates me enough and lets me drive it. That's my reward.
Those manuals are fun to you trying to back them on a lift, aren't they?
Yep. Yep.
They just want to keep messing up on you.
Get out of your way here. My arm out of your way. You get that bottom one on, and
We're gonna have this way tighter than they were. Not way tighter, but definitely more.
yeah. Well, they were not even
close.
Not even close. So I don't know how I'd explain that one to Teresa.
Well,
I was driving to Rogers, and trust me, I was going the speed limit. I made a turn, and the
Sure,
front
you know you're
wheel
lying
went past me. I was like, "Oh crap!"
That loose wheel picked a fine time to leave you, didn't it?
Yeah. All right, I'm sure you guys know how to put a wheel back on. When we go to torque them down, we do a crisscross pattern, so that that's what's recommended. Okay, I'm gonna end it here. Thanks again, Roger. I really appreciate everything, and we'll see if we can patch this video together. What pieces we got of it.